Check this out, guys. I've got a Quasar VHS player and recorder. The model number is VHQ-940. It's very basic. On the rear panel, you've got mono audio input and output. The input is if you want to record from another source, and then the output is to run it to your TV. And then you've also got your VHF, UHF input and output right there. And to begin playback, you'll just connect the white and yellow cord to the output on the VCR. And then as long as you're on the right input on your TV, you'll be able to get playback just fine. And then you can go ahead and insert your tape. And then playback will begin. And then with the remote, you've got all the functions you need. You've got the action button, program button if you want to record television shows, stop button, and then you got the stop button, play button, fast forward, rewind, and then you've got the index button so you can save a spot, counter, you can reset the counter, and you can adjust the tape speed if you're recording. And then you got the tape position button that'll tell you where you're at in the tape. But that's pretty much all you need to know about this VCR. If you want to order one, you can call us or you can check out our online store.